Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree.
Gold IRA explained in 30 seconds. So, what's a gold IRA? It's a type of individual retirement account that lets you invest in physical gold tax-free. That means you can roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA, giving your retirement portfolio more stability and protection against inflation. The best part? You get to enjoy the potential tax benefits while holding a tangible asset. Gold has a history of weathering market volatility, making it a smart choice for long-term security. Interested in diversifying your savings? Find out how easy it is to get started by visiting the link below the video or visit goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.